The legend has gone electric. This is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G580, the next evolution of the iconic G-Class. It's everything you love about the G-Wagon: tough, powerful, and luxurious, but now with an advanced electric powertrain that takes capability to a whole new level. Mercedes-Benz has managed to keep the spirit of the G-Class alive while embracing the future of mobility, and the result is nothing short of extraordinary. The G580 is powered by a cutting-edge quad-motor setup, delivering a combined output of 579 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 850 Nm of torque. That means lightning-fast acceleration, with 0 to 60 miles per hour happening in just around 4.7 seconds. But this isn't just about speed, it's about control. With an independent motor at each wheel, the G580 has an advanced all-wheel drive system that allows for unmatched off-road performance. From deep sand to rocky trails, this electric G-Wagon can handle anything you throw at it. One of the most exciting features is the new G-Turn mode. With the ability to rotate on the spot like a tank, the G580 makes tight off-road maneuvers effortless. Whether you're navigating tricky trails or just want to show off its capabilities, this feature is something you won't find in just any SUV. And with a wading depth of up to 850 mm, water crossings are no problem for this electric beast. Stepping inside, the interior is pure Mercedes luxury. The G580 offers a premium cabin experience with high-end leather, carbon fiber or wood trims, and the latest MBUX infotainment system. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while ambient lighting and a high-end Burmester sound system make every drive feel special. Despite its rugged nature, the G580 remains a symbol of high-end comfort and sophistication. Of course, with an electric SUV, range and charging are critical. The G580 is equipped with a 116 kWh battery pack, providing an estimated range of around 240 miles on a full charge. Thanks to DC fast charging, you can go from 10 to 80% charge in about 30 minutes, making it easy to keep the adventure going. Whether you're on a city cruise or deep in the wilderness, Mercedes has ensured that charging is convenient and efficient. Visually, the G580 stays true to its roots, with the classic boxy silhouette that has made the G-Wagon an icon. The bold front grille now features an illuminated Mercedes-Benz star, giving it a futuristic touch while still maintaining its rugged appeal. The squared-off fenders, high ground clearance, and optional 22-inch wheels ensure that it remains one of the most commanding SUVs on the road. Driving at night, the G580 looks even more impressive. The signature LED lighting gives it a powerful presence, while the nearly silent electric motors make it an entirely different driving experience compared to its combustion-powered predecessors. With instant torque and precise handling, it feels both refined and incredibly capable at the same time. Mercedes-Benz has successfully combined off-road dominance with cutting-edge electric technology, proving that going electric doesn't mean sacrificing power or performance. The 2025 G580 represents a new era for the G-Class, one where sustainability meets strength, and innovation meets tradition. It's a bold step into the future, and if this is what the next generation of luxury off-roaders looks like, we are all in. What do you think about the all-new electric G-Wagon? Is this the future of off-roading, or do you still prefer the roar of a V8? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is the Auto World, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.